Hey guys, some stuff I wanted to mention before the video starts. You can see the banner did create a lot of drag, so I didn't want to get too low. So if I stalled or if I went too slow, the plane would crash. That's why I was really high in the air, because I almost crashed like in the corner of the airfield a lot. I was like doing spins, and I couldn't get out of it, but I did get out of it, and my mom did read the sign at the end of the day, so yeah, continue on with the video. Taking off.
Hi there. Fly the plane. And that would be really short. Hey, it's a lot of noise you got going on. So that's the consulting job is always home. Unless you have to make a call. She didn't ask about this whole situation. I know. It may be right. You're going away from home. Back to us. She out.
I don't want to take it.
No, you're okay. You're back with us. No, I'm sorry. You're going away. Now you're coming back to us.
Yeah.
Go to left. That's you're going out and away. Make your turn. There you go. Straight and level. Is it pulling the tail down pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, just remember that. You're still comfortable with flying it like that. Are you using the aileron and rudder?
Yeah.
Hey, you're high enough. Let's just cruise straight and level with a little bit of speed because we're going very slowly.
We have to go right to us.
Yeah. But you're going very slowly. You're flying fine, and this is exactly what you want to do, but I'm low. Take it slow. Nice gentle turn.
65%.
Descending. Let the wind start to see. Planes crash. Off throttle.
I tried. Landing left.
Descend. Nose down.
Eren abi ne yazmış oğlum?
Nose down.
Gel yaklaşacak bak. Happy birthday yazıyor.
Good job. You accomplished your mission.
Barely.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.